Hi guys, XGamer55 here. Today, I will gonna show you what is the cheat of Master Ball in Pokemon Victory Fire. So, let's start guys. Go to the cheat, add the cheat name is what do you want? Like Master Ball, Master like this. Master. Ah, my phone is lagging, Master. Then you don't need to to type anything in the middle, the auto data. Guys, remember this code, please remember this, or see on the description below. I will put the code on the description below. And guys, please like my page xgamer35. Go to the description below too. The link of my page is on the description below too. I hope you will like my page. Thank you. So guys, this is the old 1288 98 B6 B6, then space EDA EDA 403, I mean 430, then 37, then done. Okay, save, then back. So guys, I will announce where can you find the Master Ball. Go on any buildings that have a PC, like Pokemon Center in your house. Then go to the PC, click it, item storage, withdraw item, then you can see the Master Ball. Guys, first of all, click the Master Ball X0. X0. Yes. Click it again. Then click the Master Ball X question mark 35 again. Then pick how many you will withdraw on your bag. Wow, 191. Then click again. Then back. Then go to your bag. And this is the bag. This is the map. So guys, I hope you learned and I hope you enjoy. See you in my next episode. I hope you like my page and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.